Welcome you everyone. In this video we have to know about how to set a global email sending limit for all cPanel accounts in Web Host Manager. Introduction. Managing outbound email activity is crucial for maintaining server performance, preventing spam, and protecting your mail server's reputation. Web Host Manager allows administrators to set a global hourly email sending limit, ensuring that no domain can exceed a predefined threshold. This helps avoid email abuse, accidental mail loops, and IP blacklisting. This guide explains how to configure this global limit using only the Web Host Manager GUI. Prerequisites. Root access to Web Host Manager. Valid IP address, S, provided or routed by your hosting, cloud provider. Basic understanding of network configuration. Steps to set a global email sending limit for all cPanel accounts in Web Host Manager. Step 1. Log in to Web Host Manager. Log in to Web Host Manager. Log in as root right pointing arrow URL, https:// your server at port 2087. Step 2. Open Tweak Settings. Home and then Server Configuration and then Tweak Settings. Step 3. Go to the Mail tab. Inside Tweak Settings, click on the Mail tab from the top navigation. Scroll until you find the setting, Max Hourly Emails per Domain. Step 4. Save the settings. Scroll down, click Save to apply the new global limit. Conclusion. By setting a global outbound email limit in Web Host Manager, you protect your server from abuse, reduce the risk of spam-related issues, and maintain overall mail stability. These limits ensure consistent email flow and help safeguard your server's IP reputation. You can still override this global limit for specific accounts when necessary, giving you both flexibility and control. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching this video. This video helps you to understand how to set a global email sending limit for all cPanel accounts in Web Host Manager.